Hi, this is Joe Pickett with inStitches. I'm going to show you how I square up a half square triangle block. I like to cut all four sides of my block so that I know that I have the block as square as possible. The important thing to consider when you are squaring up your half square triangle block is make sure that the points here and here are lined up. If there's a little waviness in the center, it doesn't really matter a whole lot. Your eye won't detect that. So what I do is I take and position my Quilter's Select ruler, which has a really fine line on it, so I get, in my opinion, a much crisper line in cutting. So I put it directly over here and directly over here. And what I've done is I've given myself a little tiny bit of edge over here, but I've checked to make sure that in this case, I'm going to cut a 4.5 inch block, that I have enough fabric on these two sides as well that I can trim after I trim the first two lines. So here's I'm going to trim. I spin my Martelli cutting base, throw away the scrap, turn it this way, shift my ruler down to where I have 4.5 inches, always checking to make sure that my points are nice and straight. And the reason why the points are critical is that when you're trying to match up your next block, if this line right here is dead on center, you won't get those wonky corner intersections. So cut the second pair. And there I have a beautiful 4.5 inch half square triangle that is nice and even. Look at those corners. Thank you.